Hello, today I'd like to show you how to integrate Flipgrid into your Canvas account. This is not done automatically for you, but you will need to have a Flipgrid account to start. If you don't have a Flipgrid account, you'll need to create one. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Flipgrid account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll select my account. And now I'm in my Flipgrid account and my dashboard will load. The next thing I'll need to do is select my Flipgrid profile in the upper right-hand corner. And from my profile, I'm going to click on the Integrations tab right here. Then on my Integration tab, I'm going to click Add New Integration. You'll need to select a name for your integration. So I'm just going to call it Monocle Canvas 2021. Now you will not have to create a new what's called a consumer key or a shared secret. You will not have to do that every year, but you will have to use it to integrate your Flipgrid into your Canvas account each year. I'm going to click the word create. Now you can see I have my consumer key and I have my shared secret, which will be necessary over in Canvas. So I'm going to keep this tab open so I'm able to copy and paste these keys when I activate the Flipgrid LTI within Canvas. Now I'm going back to my Canvas dashboard and I am going to integrate Flipgrid into my sandbox so I can create some assignments using Flipgrid in my Monocle sandbox. So I'll go ahead and click on my sandbox. And I am now in my sandbox. I'm going to scroll down and select Settings and open up my course settings. And now here is where I can connect an external app such as Flipgrid. I'm going to type Flipgrid into the search box. There it is. And I'm going to select Flipgrid. And it gives you a little information about how it works. I'm going to click Add App. And now in this dialog box is where I'm going to copy and paste my consumer key and shared secret that links my Flipgrid account with my Canvas account. So I'm going to go back in my Flipgrid account and copy that consumer key. I'll go back into Flipgrid and paste. It's a pretty long key. Good thing I did that. Then I'll go back into Flipgrid and I will copy that shared secret and paste. And now I can click Add App. You only need to do this process once per course. So now that I've added this app to my sandbox course, I can successfully use Flipgrid within my sandbox. The first time you have connected Flipgrid to Canvas, Flipgrid automatically will be creating a brand new topic for this Canvas assignment. So you're creating in Canvas first, and the assignment is created in Flipgrid for you. I'm going to click Create a Course Group. And now you can see my view of Flipgrid as a teacher. It's called my topic Flipgrid Assignment Template because that was what that assignment was called. If I had called that topic Read Aloud for Fluency, it would have automatically called that topic Read Aloud for Fluency. So now that Flipgrid is successfully embedded and saved within this assignment that I created in Canvas. So now you can see within my Flipgrid account, a brand new group has been created called Sandbox Monocle. And if I click within that group, and that group name is simply the name of my course, which is Sandbox Monocle. Yours will be called after the name of your Sandbox course or your actual course when you do this in the fall. So if I click on that group and I scroll down, I can see I have the Flipgrid assignment template. That's the name of the assignment that I made. That's why it is called that. So I can click on the editing pencil and as it loads, I can go ahead and add directions or prompts. However, my prompt should be within my Canvas assignment as well. So I may not need to adjust any of this. If I'm going to make a quality assignment, I'm going to put my prompt right there within Canvas. So that's viewable by students and parents alike. But then here I'm able to switch on topic moderation if I want to make sure I view their responses before students are able to see each other's. I can change the recording time. I can add any attachments or links. I can schedule it if I need to. I can also enable or disable some of these different pieces for students, whether I want to allow sticky notes or allow the view count or allow likes. I can do all this editing right within Flipgrid, and then I just click update topic, and those settings will be saved for that topic right within Canvas. So there's that topic, and I would have my directions here, and students will be able to record the response right within Flipgrid.